Yeah, hello everybody, and today we're going to check out the Chrome extension Wizardshot, which has been a pretty great alternative to things like Scribe to create step-by-step instructions using some of the AI tools that they have available. To install Wizardshot, you're first going to go here, type in Wizardshot Chrome extension. It'll be the first link, and click Add to Chrome. For this purpose, we don't need to turn on the sync. Now that this is added, go to the top right corner, click Extensions, and click this little pin button so that anytime you're on a page here, you can find the little extension button that looks like the Wizardshot logo. Now, let's try to create a step-by-step tutorial for something in Google Drive. So let's say you're on Google Drive here and you want to teach someone how to open up a new document and save it. To create a new tutorial, you click on this Wizardshot, click Start Capturing. You get a 3-second delay here before you start, and you go through your whole process. So let's say you're creating a new Google Doc, typing in here for testing. Looking at the title, and clicking off. And let's say that you're done here. So just for the purposes of today, we're going to do this very quickly. Now that we're done, we can click the Save button, which will open up a new page here that has our tutorial from start to finish. Now this is pretty cool. Everywhere that you clicked, it saves a little screenshot of that area. Now, unlike Scribe, Scribe has a desktop version that Wizardshot currently does not. However, this is okay for most things that you're doing online, since most of the things that we have within our workplaces happen online. Think Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and the like. What's really cool about this potential option as well is that you can change the wording for each of these components. So when you say click on new, you can say this is in the top left corner of the page. And for each of these, you can pretty much edit a good variety of the things that are here. You can shift around what this looks like. You can edit this step completely. You can add new steps if you want to, either with a YouTube video, maybe Loom if you use this to have your head in the corner while you're talking through these things, and add different sections to this as well. So one thing that I like to do when I'm creating this is add something called a header, and each header describes what the next few steps are going to be. So this header is opening the new document. Now it's for this section, you can kind of see what the next steps are going to be here. You have your opening the new document, clicking on the Google Docs option. Now that you have the new document, you can create a new header. And the following steps are up here. Once you're happy with everything that's here, you can share and export the project. And there's a couple different ways to do this. You can share this as a link to an HTML page. What I usually like to do though is export. And I like to export to PDF because then I can send this PDF over to people in emails. You can also do this with HTML to embed this into websites. You can use this exporting to doc so that you could potentially edit this as well. But I like to edit everything on here, export to PDF, and then I can share this with my team afterwards. Now that you have this PDF with step-by-step instructions, you can add any kind of notes that you want back in the tutorial here, and then re-download the PDF when you need to, and then send the PDF over to anybody that you need to have do the new thing. You can also save this to your files and upload this PDF or share it with anybody. Within Wizardshot as well, there's a pretty good dashboard so you can create a team and share this for people. We'll skip that for now. You can see all of your tutorials in this My Tutorial page here, and they actually give you a little video about how to do these things appropriately. Here's where all your teams would be, and here's all of your tutorials in general if you had multiple teams looking at this at once. In the settings page, you can change your logo, your name, the password, and so on. What's pretty cool about this is you can do a variety of different integrations with this as well to create different articles and other components that would be useful when teaching your people how to train. Different tactics in the future here. Clicking on notifications, if you get a new notification from a team member, this will pop up. And then you can customize any of these tooltips as well. So this is pretty cool. Change the type of text, the color of the text, the cursor style, and so on. And what's fantastic about this is you can start your new tutorial here, a new article here, but this whole thing is free. You can utilize this without having to pay a subscription fee. And that's pretty sweet. So if this is something that you like and that are interested in, check it out. Give it a download yourself and comment on the types of tutorials that you've created and let me know how you liked Wizardshot.